Welcome to my channel, Tech. How to split one file ape into single files. First, you need to download FooBar 2000. Open the browser Edge or your favorite browser. In the search bar, enter FooBar 2000. Then click on the second link on the page and choose FooBar 2000. After, click on the 64-bit button to start the download. Click Open to start the installation. Then click the Next button. Read the license agreement and click the I agree button. Leave the default option and click the Next button. Click the Next button if you leave the default option. Click the Install button to start the installation. And then click the Finish button. Second, open FooBar 2000. You can choose the interface settings that you like. Third, open Q file with FooBar 2000. Open the directory with the Q file and select it. Right-click mouse and select Open With. Click FooBar 2000 to open the Q file. You can leave or uncheck. Always use this app to open Q files, and then click the OK button. Q file opened, and you can hear the music. Fourth, the ape file conversion settings. Right-click mouse and select from the context menu Convert, and then 3 dots. Open the Output Format section with the left mouse button. You can choose any output audio file format, like FLAC, OGG, AIF, MP3, and wavpack. I choose wavpack as the output audio format. Go to the Destination section. In the Name Format field, enter the following options. Click the Back button, and then click the Convert button. I will include all the commands used in the video and post them in the description under the video. Select or create a directory where you will place the split files. Fifth, download wavpack audio compression. Enter wavpack in the search bar. Click on the first link, wavpack audio compression. Then click on the downloads link. Select the second link from the top for wavpack and click the download button. When the file has finished downloading, click Open File to open the archive. Extract the archive to your desktop by creating a new folder if necessary. Select the wavpack.exe file. File splitting started. File splitting successfully completed. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive new video notifications, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video. If you like my videos and would like to support me, you can buy me a coffee here.